Hi, let me teach you how to pronounce the Ndebele sound, va, va, okay? So let's start off with this. Va, be, vi, vo, vo. I need you to say this, say everything after me. So let's do it again, a bit slower this time. Va, ve, vi, vo, vo. So to properly make this sound, what you do is you bring your lips close to each other and then you blow out to release the va. Also, try a little buzzing sound as you bring out the va, like this. Va, ve, vi, vo, vo. I'll give you some words to practice with. That way it will make sense. So the first word I have for you is ubaba. Ubaba. Father. Vega. Vega means put. So if you wanted to say, for example, put it down, you'd be like vega pansi. Vega pans. The next word I have for you is ibizo. Ibizo means name. Okay, ibizo, right? Then we have vonga. Vonga means give thanks. Vonga. So my name comes from vonga and it's vongiwe. Vongiwe. All right. So if I wanted to bring it together with ibizo to say my name is, I would say ibizo lami ngubongiwe. Do you hear the V and the vo? All right. And lastly, I have for you ubunyonyo. Ubunyonyo meaning nth. I hope you're following. I hope you're practicing with me as we go. So to round it off, let me give you a verb that uses the va sound. Okay. So the verb would be bala, meaning read. Bala, super simple, right? So let's use it in simple sentences and you understand how to pronounce the va and also how to use bala in sentences. So the first one would be uzinhle uyabala. Zinhle is reading. Uzinhle uyabala. If you wanted to give the instruction as a teacher to say stand up and read, you'd say Sukuma ubale. Sukuma ubale. Stand up and read. Another instruction, very important to know as a parent, is Hamba uyobala. Go and read. Hamba uyobala. Okay. What about the question, what are you reading? Here's how you say it. Ubalani. Ubalani. What are you reading? The answer? Ngibala ugwalo. I am reading a book. Ngibala ugwalo. Okay. I hope this makes sense. I hope you're able to follow with me and pronounce these words as I'm teaching you. Okay. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will get back to you. All right. If you have something that you would like to learn in IsiNdebele, maybe you have a phrase that you want to know how to say, just put it in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. Okay, so thank you so much for sticking with me up to now, and if you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more videos like this. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.